Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has remained with just one owner since new and comes with a clean title. It has 134,000 miles on it, showing the kind of careful use and maintenance that has kept it in solid running condition over the years. Under the hood, it carries the reliable 4.3L V6 Vortec engine, paired with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, this Chevy offers a timeless look with a simple, functional design. Inside, comfort is ensured with cold air conditioning and a heater that works exactly as it should, making it a dependable choice for any season. Being a single-cab short bed, it's easy to maneuver while still offering enough utility for everyday tasks. Number 2. 1986 GMC 1500, price $9,800, well-preserved classic pickup that shows just 82,000 miles since new. It wears a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it that timeless look that stands out even today. Powered by a reliable 305 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and running on gasoline, it delivers smooth performance and remains a solid driver. The truck had only one owner until 2023 and still comes with its original purchase documents, adding an extra layer of authenticity and history that collectors will appreciate. While there is some light damage to the lower bed on the driver's side behind the wheel, it does not take away from the overall condition and charm of this truck. Well cared for throughout its life, this GMC runs and drives great, proving that it has been more than just preserved, it has been enjoyed and maintained. Number 3. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,950. This truck comes with 112,000 original miles, verified by Carfax, and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in gold with a beige interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the dependable 5.7L Vortec engine. The truck is described as solid and reliable, with cold air conditioning and performance that makes it suitable for use as a daily driver. While the body shows some cosmetic flaws on the top and roof, these imperfections would be an easy fix. Inside, the beige interior remains in very nice condition for its age, as seen in the pictures. Adding to its authenticity, the truck also comes with the original build certificate and window sticker from when it was first purchased new. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1975 Ford F150, price $7,000, shows just 78,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 360 V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor paired to an automatic transmission. Originally from Georgia, it wears a green exterior over a black interior and remains largely rust-free. The truck sits on 5 nearly new tires, while the cabin features new carpeting, fresh door seals, and a working radio with 4 speakers. Both the dash and interior lights function as they should. The air conditioning has been fully rebuilt and converted to R143 with all new major components. Recent mechanical work includes fresh fluids, a completely renewed brake system, new shocks, and an upgraded electronic ignition with new plugs, rotor, and wires. Many underhood parts have also been replaced. On the outside, the truck sports new light assemblies, new grills, and Jeep LED headlights. A spare tire is mounted beneath the bed, though the jack is missing. Number 5. 1963 Dodge D100, price $4,000. With approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by the reliable turbo slant 6 engine paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, giving it that authentic old-school driving feel. The truck runs, drives, and stops, although the carburetor could use some work to get it performing at its best. Finished in green inside and out, the truck shows its age with rust appearing in the typical areas, particularly on the floor and lower cab. Still, several new parts have already been added, making it a strong foundation for someone looking to restore, customize, or simply enjoy it as a classic driver. With its stepside bed in timeless Dodge styling, this D100 stands as a solid example of early 60s American pickups. Number 6. 1972 Ford F100, price $7,500. It has just 97,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in green both inside and out, it runs on gasoline and presents as a true classic with plenty of character. While the body and bed show some surface rust, the frame remains in solid condition. Underneath, the truck has been extensively refreshed, featuring an entirely new motor, transmission, and driveshaft. Despite lacking air conditioning and a working radio, this F100 has proven to be remarkably dependable, always starting without issue and running smoothly every time. It delivers a fun and enjoyable driving experience, making it more than just a workhorse. It's a truck with personality. The current owner loves it but is moving and unfortunately no longer has the space to store it. Number 7. 1984 Ford F150, price $3,400. It has around 150,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, it runs on gasoline and still proves to be a dependable old workhorse. While the truck runs and drives, it should be noted that it is a 40-year-old vehicle and shows its age both inside and out. The engine and transmission function properly, though starting requires 1 to 3 10-second bursts of cranking. A new carburetor would likely improve performance. Inside, the seat is ripped, the dash has some missing pieces, and there is no air conditioning. The brakes do work, but the pedal needs to be pressed quite far down. Despite these cosmetic and mechanical quirks, this F-150 remains a classic truck with character that continues to get the job done. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet C20, price $8,700, presented in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, staying true to the classic Chevrolet driving experience. Power comes from a 350 Edelbrock crate motor, a $6,000 upgrade that has only 11,500 miles on it, ensuring plenty of life and performance left under the hood. The truck runs and drives great, equipped with brand new tires for added reliability on the road. It has also recently passed smog, and the registration is valid until May 2026, giving peace of mind to the next owner. Although it does have a minor leak and carries a salvage title from a small accident many years ago, this C20 remains a well-preserved and solid example of Chevrolet's durable pickup line. Number 9. 1978 Ford F150, price $3,500. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 302 engine paired with a 3-speed transmission plus overdrive. The truck runs and drives well, having served as a dependable shop and farm truck. It fires right up whether hot or cold and averages about 16 miles per gallon on the highway. The vehicle is equipped with LED headlights, functional brake lights, and working turn signals. Even the fuel gauge operates correctly thanks to a recently installed sending unit. An AC compressor is included with the truck, though it has not yet been hooked up. The floor pans are solid, and while there is a minor power steering leak and some rust beginning to show around the wheel wells, the overall structure remains strong. The tires have plenty of tread left, though they do show signs of light dry rot. Number 10. 2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $2,000, finished in white with a tan interior, has 152,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline, but unfortunately, the truck is currently not operational as the engine has seized. A shop has confirmed that the issue lies with the engine itself. Before the failure, several components had been recently replaced, including the ball joints, fuel lines, spark plugs and wires, as well as the starter, along with a few additional parts. While the truck once served as a dependable workhorse, it is now being sold in its current condition. Although the vehicle does not come with a title, a bill of sale is available for transfer to the new owner.